In this very brief video, I'm going to show you how you can create a very simple scrolling selector that will automatically scroll through tabs or other objects in an Xcelsius or Business Objects dashboard application. This could be useful if you have a dashboard that you want to show up on a big screen in a communal area, for example, that you want to automatically scroll through the various tabs or other objects in the dashboard. This example shows it very simply, you can see it's scrolling through tab 1, 2 and 3 at 1 second intervals. I'm now going to show you the components that are used to build this up. So in this very simple example, I've created the components of this dashboard are very simple. There's basically just one tab set which contains 3 tabs, and on each one of the tabs I've just put the copy of the spreadsheet data so that we can see that it's changing something and what's going on in the spreadsheet as we go through it. And then the main component of this is a thing called the play selector. So the play selector, I've hidden that to the back of the tab set. It needs to be visible for it to work, or it can't have its visibility property set. So this status dynamic visibility here, if this is set to be invisible, then the player doesn't work. So you need to make it visible, but you can just push it to the back. So if you right click and do send to back, hide it behind the tab set, then although it's available, it's not going to be seen to the user because it's behind the tab set. The objects in the play selector are on the behavior section, we just put the play time, how long we want it to play for. Now this is the time that it takes to play through the whole sequence. So I've got it set to 3 seconds and I've got 3 tabs, which means it's going to do 1 tab per second. If I set that up to say 6 seconds, it'll go 2 tabs per second. Then the other part of it is in the general section, how do we set the play selector up? So we use it to do data insertion based on rows, and the source data for the rows is this data down here in the spreadsheet, which is from cells B6 through to C8, where it says 1, 2, 3, tab number 1, 2 and 3, and then the destination for that is the yellow row in the spreadsheet from B4 to C4. And basically what will happen is every 2 seconds it will scroll down here and move one of these up into the yellow section, and whichever one is in the yellow section drives here what the behavior of the tab set is. So the tab set, the selected item by position, is whatever is in this cell here, B4. So as the play scroller moves through here and moves a new number into cell B4, it moves across the tabs. When it's got a number 2 in, it goes to tab 2, tab 3, etc. And that's a simple scrolling selector. If you want to see how to make one of these where you can change the speed of the selection dynamically from within the dashboard, view my other video which shows how to do that.